Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to request Collaborator access Shopify. Now on your Shopify dashboard, go to your settings and go to users and permissions. Now scroll all the way down and you will see the Collaborator section. You can choose between having a request code or anyone can send a request for a collaborator. Now, if you want to only selected people can access or send requests as a collaborator, you can send the code to your partner and then they can go to this website, which is shopify.com/partner. And then after that, select the join existing partner organization, and then they have to log into their account, and then they will be able to see the request, or they can paste the code that was sent from you, and then that's it. If you ever find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.